The World Tourism Day 2019 is observed at the Longmai Ground in Noni. Today's celebration is attended by Chief Minister N. Biren, Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Shyam, YAS Minister Latpao Haukip, Chairman of TCML Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh, along with MLA of 52 Tamai constituency, Awangbao Nyumai, as chief guest. The day will highlight glittering culture and entertainment programs in the afternoon. Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur has suspended its agitation till 21st October as per reports. The decision was made after representatives of the association held a talk with the concerned authority regarding its demand on implementation of 7th UGC Pay and Regulation 2019. The temporary Mau market was opened at Kwakaitel Akamlaikai from this morning. Many people thronged the Mau market to buy fresh and organic vegetables and fruits from the market. Mau market has been opening in various parts of the Imphal city from time to time, considering public's demand of Mau products. As a part of Swachh Hi Seva campaign, Thoubal Police in association with Thoubal Municipal Council and Thoubal DC office conducted a cleanliness drive in different important venues of Thoubal district this morning. The event was attended by several police officials and others. An orientation cum meeting of Northeast youth and student leaders was held yesterday at the Don Bosco Navjivan Society in Chandigarh. As per reports, the meeting was held to discuss the forthcoming celebration of 5th Northeast Youth Fest. In all 24 youth leaders representing all the 8 Northeast states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Sikkim and Tripura participated in the meet. It was initiated by Don Bosco Youth Center, Itanagar in collaboration with the Don Bosco Navjivan Society. About a dozen MPs, state ministers and MLAs from the hill states of the Indian Himalayan region participated at the High Panel Parliamentarians Legislators Dialogue on Water Policy for the Indian Himalayan region in Bengaluru on Wednesday, according to the report. The members raised several critical areas of concern with regard to water source, water quality, management, increasing water scarcity, and rapid decline in freshwater biodiversity. The event was organized by the Integrated Mountain Initiative and supported by Devcheta Center for Climate Change at the Indian Institute of Science and Indian Himalayas Climate Adaptation Program. World Tourism Day 2019 was observed at the India Peace Museum located at Maibam Lot Paching, Maibam. The event was co-hosted by Manipur Tourism Forum, Department of Handloom and Textiles, Government of Manipur, Center for Entrepreneurship and Skills Development, Manipur University and India Tourism Imphal Office. International Peace and Social Advancement felicitated the participants of 18th Junior National Wushu Championship 2019 recently held at Chandigarh and World Martial Arts Festival at Chungju City, Republic of South Korea. The function was held at Multi-Purpose Hall of Kuman Lampak Sports Complex, Imphal. Sri Sri Anu Mahaprabhu Sevat Samiti and Organizing Committee started today a 5-day observation of 221st death anniversary of Rajashri Bhagyachandra at Navadip in Nadia district of West Bengal. People of Kumbi Ward number 1 to 9 held a public meeting at Kumbi Kaitel last evening and took a decision not to withdraw the Joint Action Committee against the brutal killing of K.H. Achau Maitei. The meet took a decision to strengthen the JAC and to ostracize the alleged killer's family from Kumbi.